Hey, my first luxury unboxing for the year 2026. Very excited. This is a worldwide edition, so stay tuned. It's very interesting. So the last few months, I've traveled to Australia, to Singapore, to Malaysia, back here to Saudi, to Dubai, and to Kuwait. So these are the items that I bought in the last few months, and I'm so excited to share them with you now. So what's up? First on the list, okay, Australia. I was there to visit my daughter, I got this pretty item from Louis Vuitton. So these items, this is a gift that was given to me, and it really touches my heart. And what's this? Ta-da! It is it is a small SLG, and it is a bag charm or a keychain. So pretty, so meaningful, and I was thinking that I could complement it and use it as either a keychain, or I could use it as a bag charm on this really cute kabuki wallet and chain that I did for myself. And it's just so cute, right? So I turned this kabuki wallet by LV, it's a limited edition, into a walk, and I could use it as a bag charm, or I could actually prop it on here as a bag charm as well. So yeah, so pretty, so meaningful. I will always treasure this SLG, and loving it. So that's first on my list from Australia. Okay, what's next? Dubai. So I just came back from Dubai recently, and I always go to the Deal, which is at the Outlet Village Mall, and I got myself a Carolina Herrera Sunnies. Yeah, the box is so stunning, right? So pretty. And I didn't really need it, but it was too pretty, and the pearl accent, the pearl detail was just so pretty. I could not resist, right? So it's very old money vibe, very chic. Love it. So I think besides my reading glasses from Carolina Herrera, these are the only items that I have from her. I don't typically shop from that store. So what's next? I'm really excited about this. So it's winter here in Riyadh, and it can get as low as 4 degrees in the evening, but most of the time it's just cool sweater weather. And I found this really sweet sweater, and it's by Officine Generale Paris. So it's made in Paris, and it's wool, and I'm loving it. So pretty, and I'll definitely use this a lot this winter. So I love finding all these unique sort of like contemporary brands when I'm in Dubai, because they have like fashion wear from all around the world, and incorporating all these new to me, but contemporary finds. It's really quite amazing, especially when you get it for a good deal. And another item that I got, this is by Marge, also a Parisian brand, and I got this blazer. So I'm thinking to wear more blazers and jumpers, and I'm just loving the print, right? So pretty, and the color combination, so pretty. Yeah, look, so stunning. So those are my finds at the Deal. And while I was at the mall, my daughter just bought this water gold perfumery. Yeah, it's a local brand there, and I couldn't help myself, but I got a perfume oil. So instead of sprays, I'm really into perfume oils at the moment, and it's just so stunning, the bottle. And yeah, it's like, and yeah, and it's just like perfume, right? But it's just like oil based, and smells wonderful too. So this one that I got, yeah, wonderful. This one that I got was bergamot and I don't know how to pronounce it. Agua? I don't know. Okay, I shall not try to yeah, pronounce that. And I also got myself the hair perfume. Yeah. And you know me, I love incorporating hair perfume to complete my look for the day, or you know, and by layering you actually keep the scent on for a longer period of time, so that's wonderful. So those items by Water Girl were the entry level, and this one that my husband bought, Water Gold. So yeah, it's, you can see Regal, Water Gold Regal. He got, yeah, a perfume that smells amazing. And I told him, like, please spray that for me every day. Not to work, but for me. So yeah, this is it. Yeah, it smells a bit like whiskey base, but nice, so nice, and it smells wonderful. My husband, and they also gave like a little essential oil. So this is actually probably triple the price of this one. Triple the price. So this is the Royal Gold collection, and this is the entry level, right? Okay. So that's Dubai. Wonderful, wonderful. And what's next? Okay, let's go to Singapore. So when I was in Singapore, you saw my Dior, the kind of like haul that I did during the Christmas season. And my sweet girlfriend gifted me a couple items, and bless her soul, she gifted me the Chanel vintage brooch that I absolutely love from her closet. She knows I like vintage Chanel, and yeah, and a couple of earrings to go with it. So yeah, so these were gifts from my girlfriend. So I received many gifts this season, unexpectedly, surprise. They were surprises, and every girl does love a surprise. Okay, everyone can give me a surprise, but my husband, he just can't. He will burst the bubble. Okay, so back in Saudi, during the Christmas season, I did get myself some makeup. You know, I love my makeup, and these charms came with it. And I always take the opportunity to stock up during Christmas for Chanel and also for Dior. So I bought, well, I was going to show you something. What do I do with these charms? Hang on. So these charms, what I do with them is that I like to collect them every Christmas, and I will turn them into necklaces. So what I will do is that, for example, this was from like, I think 2 years ago. I will just interchange it and swap it to this, okay? And then you know, I have a necklace. It's technically for free. A Chanel necklace for free. I mean, how's that? It's wonderful, isn't it? So let's have a look and then let's wear it and show you how it looks like. Okay. Ta-da! There you go. Pretty, pretty. Okay, so what did I get? Okay, what did I get from Chanel? Let's see. Oh my gosh, I got carried away. Okay, I got the Chanel lip and cheek balm in Ardenburg. So I love these. But technically it just looks like this. Okay, I will not open it because it's just the same. And I got this in Ardenburg, my favorite color of all times. So I like to use that every day on my cheeks and mostly on my cheeks. So what's next? Oh, also, okay, let's wait. So I got 2 separate orders because here in Saudi, every order entitles you to a charm. So me being the frugal chic, I did 2 separate orders and I got 2 charms, the exact same as this, and 2 sustainable bags, which I love, love, love. And what did I get this time? I got, okay, the lip pencil. I love the Chanel lip pencil. I ordered one like a couple of months ago and I absolutely love it. The color and the way it blends on the lip, right? So I sometimes color in my lips with the lip pencil. And this one is 196. Can you see it? 196. And it's rose powder. Okay, so what I wanted to show you was I also turned the charms, the free charms, into earrings. I love all this DIY stuff. It really excites me. So these charms were also from like a couple of years ago and I turned them into earrings. So when you have 2 of the same charms, you can turn it into an earring, right? So what I do is that I'll just take it out and swap it over to this as such. Since I have 2, right? I have one on my neck here. Yeah, so I can also turn them into earrings. So wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Don't waste the opportunity to get these free charms from Chanel every Christmas, if you can. If not, you know, just enjoy the process and, you know, try and upcycle them. I love upcycling. So what's next? We were at Chanel. Okay, so I was in Saudi, and I love my lipsticks, and I was thinking between the LV lipstick for my Christmas gift to myself or a Hermes, and I was at Hermes. Honestly, I'm not really into their beauty range, but this lipstick color did speak to me, and I was intrigued and I got it. So let's have a look. I do have Hermes Twilly perfume. That's the only Hermes makeup that I have, or beauty from the beauty range. Yeah, so I got this lipstick. So pretty, right? And I think it was limited edition. And what color did I get? So I was more into, you know how I have a lot of pinks and rosy pinks. So this one's a bit more like purplish, if you want to call it, pinkish, purplish. And yeah, and I'm looking to try this shade. So it's called Rose Mauve. Okay, Rose Mauve, more to the purpley hue. And I will add this to my collection of luxury lipsticks. that I own. My favorite still the Vuitton and the Guerlain. This was the recent limited edition from Christian Dior. So this is gonna go in my luxury limited editions tray of lipsticks. Wonderful, wonderful, wonderful. Okay, next on the list, I love my beauty, so lips are the way to go, and Tom Ford. Take a big guess. It's probably a lipstick, a lip liner, or something to do with the lips, right? I think so. Okay, so I was at Tom Ford, and yeah, I bought myself a gloss. It's such a beautiful color. It's called Madagascar, I think. No, Casablanca. Casablanca. Oh my gosh, I would love to go to Casablanca one day. Yeah, and what a stunning, stunning color. I told you I was in. I don't know why, but I'm in that season where I'm looking more into like these colors. So pretty. So the gloss will complement the lipstick. And I love my glosses. I've never tried YSL glosses. Have you? So I'm very excited. So yeah, I love my glosses. I have this one from Dior. Dior, my favorite. Guerlain is another favorite. I love this lip glow, lip oil. And this one is by Chanel. So I love my glosses. So this is gonna add to my collection of luxury glosses. So so you know, I love luxury fashion. I love luxury beauty. I love luxury coffee. So I was in Kuwait, and I got the chance to finally have a taste of Baka coffee. And I fell in love with it instantly. So, I'm a Singaporean, and every time when I go back to Singapore, I want to try it. But the queue is always so long and it's so off-putting. So I never got to try Baka coffee. And when I was in Kuwait, we were staying at the Waldorf Astoria. Do look out for their vlogs coming up soon. I'm in the midst of editing it. And I was at the Avenues Mall, and it's a beautiful mall. And we woke up early in the morning and we went to Baka for breakfast, and it was really enjoyable. I loved it, and I loved the coffee. And I wanted to buy a set home, and they told me to get the Navigator because it has an array of different coffee blends in here. So I'm looking to try this. It's filtered coffee, and I will drink it black. So maybe I started my coffee journey maybe like 3 years ago, not too long ago. And it's always the latte. It started weak, and then it started to get stronger. And now I have been, I'm slowly learning to drink black coffee because it's healthier, right? A healthier version. So interesting. So Baka coffee, that is luxury food, if you want to call it. And what's last on my list, I got this really nice present from my mom for Christmas, and I've waited to do the unboxing now. And it's actually soap, and this soap is from Thailand. Oh, it smells wonderful. It's a famous brand called Madame Heng. You can read it, the reflection. Okay, and yeah, it's supposedly to be really luxurious and quality soaps to try, and I can't wait to try it out. It smells so good already, and the packaging, wonderful. Gold bar, oh my gosh, I wish I invested in more gold. Okay, all right, so those are my luxury unboxings for 2026, and yeah, I look forward to incorporating more items, but it's all about finding the perfect item, the good deal. And yeah, so voila! Love and hugs! Bye-bye!